On this video, I'm going to reproduce the style of Misa from Dead Note. For this particular haircut, I'm going to do it all on dry. The bangs area is a focal point, so I'm going to start there. To cut the bangs without having a lot of tension, I'm going to use the comb as a guide. To make sure I leave enough length on the bangs, I'm going to actually place the comb exactly at this point on the nose, on the bridge of the nose here. Use the point cutting technique one way and the other way. At this point, I'm going to elevate the bangs at 90 degrees and texturize the end. Before I finish the style, I'm going to texturize and lap more the bangs because they're a little bit too heavy. To cut all these layers, we're going to use the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs, starting on the center, left and right. So the whole back is going to take this section. Notice that to cut this style, I'm not going from short to long. Actually, I'm going to twist the hair twice to go short to long. This twisting movement is going to help to blend the style even more. Just make sure you pick the right direction to twist the comb so it goes from the direction that you want the hair to move. To cut the layers on the sides, actually I'm going to be preserving all the framing that I done and the perimeter on top of the ears. So I'm going to be working only on this section. I don't want to create too many layers that become too weak on the sides. To blend the crown area, I'm going to use the same technique, twist it once and twice, and then go from short to long. This technique is going to make our layers invisible. As I mentioned, I'm going to be working a little bit more on the bangs and using it going with the thinning shears and giving a little more texture on the end. Misa had two very defined frame pieces on the front, right here. To make those pieces a little more lighter, I'm going to be moving it up and texturizing on this direction. This will add some texture and layers on this area so it doesn't feel too heavy. To style the ponytail, I'm going to leave some hair on top of the ears. I'm going to leave it higher up, but preserve some of the hair down. Repeat the same thing on the other side and make sure that they are equal. And here you have the 360 view of this hairstyle. This hairstyle is going to look good on any face type, but remember, if you cut those bangs, you got it and they're going to take a long time to grow back. This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.